In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ElevenLabs API key, a complete guide for 2025. Before we dive into the details, a quick reminder. If you're signing up for ElevenLabs, consider using our affiliate link. It's a great way to support our channel and help us continue creating valuable content for you. Let's get started with the process of obtaining your ElevenLabs API key. First, you need to navigate to the left-hand side panel and look for the Developers section. This is where you'll find all the tools and information necessary for accessing and managing your API keys. Click on Developers, and from there, you'll need to move to the API Keys tab. This tab is specifically designated for anything related to API keys, making it your go-to place for creating and managing them. Once you're in the API Keys section, you'll see an option to Create API Key. Clicking this is your next step. This button allows you to generate a new API key, which is your ticket to integrating ElevenLabs with other software. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to provide a name for your key. This name is crucial for keeping your keys organized, especially if you plan to use multiple keys for different projects or functionalities. It's also your chance to specify the tools or applications the API key should have access to. This level of customization ensures that your ElevenLabs API interacts only with the systems you authorize, maintaining security and efficiency. After you've named your key and defined its access permissions, you'll proceed with the creation. The system will then display your newly created API key right on the screen. At this point, it's vital to remember that this is the only time you'll be able to view the full key in its entirety. Make sure to copy the API key to your clipboard immediately. This straightforward action is essential because you won't be able to see the full key again once you navigate away from this screen. Once copied, you can then paste it directly into any third-party software that you want to integrate with ElevenLabs. Whether it's for data processing, analysis, or any other function, having your API key set up saves time and seamlessly bridges ElevenLabs with your existing work processes. And that's it. It really is that simple to get started with an ElevenLabs API key. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, using the ElevenLabs API key can truly enhance your projects, providing a robust toolset for easy integration. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy coding and exploring with ElevenLabs.